I'll be showing you how we use Claude Code SEO to run this website that gets over 80,000 users every single month. Our first Claude Code SEO skill that we use allows us to write up-to-date, trendy news articles or topics within the niche of our website every single day. So here is the actual prompt or the skill that you can use. If you want to get access to these skills, just comment SEO and I'll send it over to you. But if you take a look at these skills, these are routines. So essentially every single day at a time that you set, the AI will go out, it will do research based upon your niche, based upon what's trending in Google Trends. And we actually use live up-to-date Google Trends data and Google News articles, and it will find an article that is going to be suitable for your niche, for your audience, and it's going to bring you in some new traffic every single day. So this is really, really powerful because it's fresh, up-to-date information that is less competitive, because not everyone is going to be able to write on these topics as quickly as you are. And as you can see here, it does the research on the topics, and then it uses our connection with WordRocket. WordRocket is an AI SEO writing tool. So we see here it loads WordRocket to generate the article, because if we use Claude to generate our articles every single day, we can run into usage limits very, very quickly. And WordRocket is already optimized to write content with internal linking and in your brand voice and so on and so forth. And then it'll go ahead and post this article directly over to your website. So we see here that this article was written and posted directly over to our website. And this is done every single day on autopilot with Claude, and we do this for not just one but a couple of our websites here. So again, if you go ahead and take a look at the second article, we take a look at the live URL, it did the exact same process. And as you can see here, we have a nice article here with beautiful images. And this is a very unique article on up-to-date content. That's the first way that we use Claude Code. The second way that we use Claude Code is if we find a keyword that we really like and we want to write on, we use the SERP to publish article. So essentially what this does is we give Claude a keyword, and then it'll go out, it will do competitive research on the SERP overview for that specific keyword to see what the SERP looks like, what is the structure of the articles that are ranking, or the types of articles that are ranking, a competitive analysis of our actual competitors, and it'll give you all that information back. And based upon the information that it found, it will then write a better article on that keyword to increase the likeliness that you'll actually outrank your competitors. Another Claude SEO skill that we use is a backlink opportunities finder. So essentially what this is going to do is it's going to find and do competitive research and then find ways in which you can get backlinks from places that have linked to your competitors or places that have mentioned your brand online but haven't linked back to your website. So for example, the brand mentioned backlinks. This will find where places that people have mentioned your website but haven't actually included a link to give you a high chance of you getting links. If you're more of a local SEO, we have the local SEO skill, which is a full stack local SEO skill that audits a local's business SEO, builds a local SEO strategy, and creates landing pages and so on and so forth. If you're now starting to do research on a website or building out your site, we also have the ultimate SEO and the SEO audit skills that will do a complete SEO audit based upon your competitors and give you actionable insights of how to start and grow your website. So those are some of the skills that we use to grow our websites to 80,000 users and beyond. If you want to get access to these skills, just comment SEO below and I'll send it over to you. Also, if you want to try out WordRocket for yourself, it is the best AI content writing tool in the market. It allows you to write SEO and geo optimized articles. I'll leave a link for WordRocket in the comments below. Take care.